Today is Tuesday, November 17th, 2020. And today I am live from Ms. Reyes' fourth grade classroom. And I have three pledgers. Their names are
Andrés Miranda. Daisy Galeto.
If you could please stand, place your hand over your heart as we say our Pledge of Allegiance.
I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, one indivisible, with liberty and justice for all.
And now our Texas Pledge.
Honor the Texas flag. I pledge allegiance to thee, Texas, one state under God, one indivisible.
And since we are a two-way immersion school, now we'll go ahead and we'll do our pledges in Spanish.
Juro lealtad a la bandera de los Estados Unidos de América, de república que representa una nación ante Dios indivisible, con libertad y justicia para todos.
Ahora la promesa de la bandera de Texas.
Honra la bandera de Texas, promete velar a ti, Texas, un estado bajo Dios indivisible.
Would you please remain standing for a moment of silence? Thank you. You may be seated. Every student here at Woodland Acres Elementary School has a right to feel safe, loved, and respected, be it at home, on the bus, or during the school day. If there is anyone at school, at home, or on the bus that makes you feel unsafe, that makes you feel unloved, or that makes you feel disrespected, please tell a trusted adult in your life. There are no birthdays today, so happy unbirthday to you. We do have a couple of announcements today. We are still continuing our No Place for Hate, so look out for that. We'll go ahead and start saying our No Place for Hate. We'll start saying the pledge to that tomorrow. There is a district college fair, so I'll go ahead and send that out again. And then this is also our College and Career Awareness Month, so that ties into our district college fair. All right, our character education theme for the month of November is fairness. Like stones rolling down hills, fair ideas reach their objectives despite all obstacles and barriers. It may be possible to speed or hinder them, but it is impossible to stop them. Fairness is something everyone should want. All right, so with something to think about, this is Mrs. Marsh saying make it a great day or not.
Your choice is yours!
That's right, Wildcats, the choice is always yours. We hope that today you choose to make it a terrific Tuesday.